All right, guys, we finally made it into the winery. Beautiful. So we're a little late for the appointment because we couldn't find the main parking space. There wasn't really clear signage to let you know where they were located to park for the main entrance, but you should be okay. We had 3 p.m. reservations a Friday afternoon. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive from the city center of Santiago. And just beautiful scenery on the way here. It's amazing. Kind of gives a glimpse of what it's going to look like in Mendoza, which is only a 5-hour drive from Santiago. And is known for the wine country. We'll be there for a month. So hopefully baby Jen acts good today and we can enjoy this wine tour, enjoy some wine and relax.